In this tutorial, we will explore 5 useful GREP style techniques that can save more than 20 minutes of manual formatting. GREP styles are especially useful when working with books, magazines, brochures, catalogs, and long documents. Instead of manually formatting the same words, numbers, or phrases again and again, we can let InDesign do the work automatically. First, create a paragraph style for the body text. Open the Paragraph Styles panel and create a new paragraph style. Now apply this paragraph style to the body text. Let's start with our first example. Here, the word typography appears several times in the paragraph. Normally, if we want to give this word a special formatting, we would have to select each occurrence manually. But with GREP style, we can automate this process. First, I will create a character style. Now I can define the formatting that I want to apply to the word. Next, go to the paragraph style options and open the GREP style section. Click New GREP style. Here, choose the character style that we created. In the To text field, enter the exact word we want to find. In this example, I am using typography. Now InDesign automatically finds every occurrence of this word and applies the character style. So, instead of formatting each word individually, one GREP style formats all of them at once. Let's format all the numbers in our paragraph. Open the Character Styles panel. Create a new character style and name it Numbers. Here, I can choose a different font, weight, color, or any other formatting. Now go back to the GREP demo paragraph style. Open GREP style and click New GREP style. Under Apply Style, select our Numbers character style. In the To text field, enter T. The T represents a digit, and the means one or more digits. So, GREP will automatically find numbers. Now you can see that all the numbers in the paragraph are automatically formatted. Now let's format the text inside double quotation marks. First, create another character style. I'll give it a different formatting so we can clearly see the result. Now go back to the GREP style section and create a new GREP style. Select the character style that we have just created. First, go to Character and select quotation marks. From here, select double left quotation mark. Next, go to Wildcards and select any character. Then, go to Repeat and select 0 or more times. Now go back to quotation marks and select double right quotation mark. As you can see, InDesign has automatically created the GREP expression for us. Now let's check the preview. You can see that all the text inside the double quotation marks has automatically changed to the character style we created. And if I type another word or sentence inside double quotation marks anywhere in this paragraph, InDesign will automatically apply the same character style. Now let's do the same thing with round brackets. First, create another character style. I'll give it a different formatting so we can easily identify the text inside the brackets. Now go back to the GREP style section and create a new GREP style. Select the character style that we have just created. First, go to Symbols and select Open Parenthesis. Next, go to Wildcards and select any character. Then, go to Repeat and select 0 or more times. Now go back to Symbols and select Close Parenthesis. As you can see, InDesign has automatically created the GREP expression for us. Now let's check the preview. You can see that the text inside the round brackets has automatically changed to the character style we created. And whenever I type new text inside round brackets, InDesign will automatically apply the same character style. This is especially useful when working with large books, magazines, and long documents, because all the bracketed text can be formatted automatically without manually selecting it. GREP style is one of the most powerful features in Adobe InDesign for automating text formatting and saving time on large documents. If you found this tutorial useful, please like this video and subscribe to Montrike Graphic Arts for more useful Adobe InDesign tips and tutorials.